This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Morning everyone. Today we are flying with a BA flight, guys, from Jersey to Cape Town. So we are flying with the British Airways under Comair on a Boeing 737-800, guys. It's one of the BA6421 flight, guys. So as we enter our Tambo International Airport, guys, we're gonna start our day and see what's happening on the ground, guys. So join us and I'll show you our little review of the flight. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? We're in after security, guys, at the airport. We just finished up getting some coffee. Sorry, guys. Look at the coffee there. We just having like a booster coffee, guys, before our flight, and it's about to board, you know. Anyway, I'm just getting used to this vlogging thing. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I've vlogged. I don't know what position I should put my camera in. This way, that way, that way, that way. I don't know. Anyway, we're having fun, guys, and we're still going to Cape Town, guys. And our flights we board soon, but let's enjoy coffee and have fun, guys. And I must get used to vlogging. It's been a while. Damn it. Anyway, yeah, let's continue that day. Let's continue that day. Cindy Zane Shy. Guys, it's so empty. Look at it, guys. But yeah, time to go. Time to go. Yo guys, today we are going with the BA flight, and we just right now in my seat, I guess. Because I want to show you how big is the seat. And if you haven't heard of this BA flight, I'll put the name of it over in the description. But it's the first time I'm taking BA. It's flight BA6421, and hopefully you can hear me, guys. And it's economy to choose. The seats of us look. Because of my family, they're just busy chilling there, you know. And my son got his own seat. But let me show you how big it is. So guys, this is my seat. I think my knees are okay here. A bit of room, and there is a lot of free moving legs here. I just put my bag here, but it's easier to access if I need anything like headsets or something from playing music. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is how big it is, and there's a tray, you know, made like this. But for now, we're gonna keep it closed. And this is the flight staff, guys, the rules, and let's put it back if you have a foot catch or puke or something. Anyway, there it is, guys. This is it. And you know the armrest which we have here. Armrest. Shadow is chilling here. Yeah, it is, ma'am. Shadow is too much of a legroom. You see? There's legroom here, guys. And there's a window view I have. I don't know if you can put a ship back and sit, but I will test it out when we're flying, guys. Yeah. Anyway, now it's time to put on the seat belt to get things going. That's just got a muffin and the yogurt, guys. It's the first, I don't know, meal or snack of the flight, and my son is just happy to get it. Everyone got the same one. There it is, guys. Muffin and the yogurt, guys. It's a snack. Oh, that. My son is just thinking of opening it. I don't think it's opening it. Let me open it for him and see how it is. Okay guys, this is the meal of our day. I don't know how many snacks you want to have, but we're starting up with yogurt and muffins. These are called vegetarian, I don't know. And there's the juice, guys, and the son is enjoying the yogurt, guys. Nandi! Nandi! Num 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 num. Okay, let's enjoy the meal, guys. Let's enjoy the meal. I want to start with this thing on muffins. So I'm going to get right into it and have fun, guys. Blueberry muffin, let's go. Ooh, guys. Blueberry muffin, good. Enjoying the yogurt, guys. And someone taking a video. Got some apple juice, guys. Apple juice. The view outside. And this is the apple juice with the blueberry muffin. Nothing hit the spot, guys. Also, the juice hit the spot. Very nice, very nice. I'm enjoying myself. Let's try out the yogurt, guys. It looks delicious. Yeah, yogurt is nice. I'm enjoying it. Enjoy it, I'm still enjoying it. That is good. The first meal of the flight, guys. First meals of the flight. And I have here some apple juice, guys. They don't serve, I think, alcohol because there are no options for alcohol, so they don't serve those. And yeah, because juice, coffee, those are the two ones that are available, guys, in the flight. The beverages or drinks. But let's enjoy our food, and I'll talk to you in a bit if we'll get more food or not. Yeah. check out the bathroom. Bathroom is okay, and has sanitizers, tissue, and that's about it in the future. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Trying that body, you know. That's a bathroom review, guys. Very tiny bathroom.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cape Town International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead storages as baggage may be moved in flight or could fall out to injure someone. Before leaving us today, ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Also check the seat pockets in front of you for any tablets, cell phones, wallets and keys.
Yo guys, just arrived in Cape Town from the BA6421 Boeing 7. I forgot what 7 it is, but it's a Boeing. It was a cool, comfortable seats and stuff. I enjoyed the flight. I expected more from food, but only got a donut and yogurt. So yeah, that's how it is, guys, from a BA6421, guys, flight 6421. So hope you enjoyed the small review of what you showed, and hopefully you also want to enjoy the flight when you take it one day, guys. And if you have vitality, you pay less, guys. So enjoy the flight, and me, ZuluMachine, I'm gonna look for a cab now and see if you can get to the city. We are in Cape Town, guys. We are in Cape Town. Yeah, let's go.
Us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.